Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. Now you can see this. We will be doing this reading passage. That reading was also part of 21st October 2023. So how should reading be taught? This is the reading title, and of course you can see this small paragraphs are there. Definitely we will go to see the types of questions, and of course after learning some techniques or strategies how to solve reading or how to solve list of headings from this reading passage, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much in advance. So here we can see this list of heading. As you know, list of headings means there will be more options for each paragraphs. Of course there are 1 to 9 list of 9 list of headings, and questions are already they have given answer for section A, and of course questions are from 1 to 7. So how to do list of headings, that's more important. So the list of headings and other like we have which section contains the following information. For these two types of question we need to read each and every paragraph. So how we can save time in these list of headings? Okay, so of course before heading to the reading passage, for each and every passage definitely we will try to understand these list of headings along with the keyword. That keyword definitely you will not get in any other paragraph. Okay, so let's read it one by one. Disagreement about the reading process. Okay, there is some disagreement, people are not having same agreement about the reading process. Okay, the roots of the debates, from where this debate has been started, means a combined approach, means a joint approach they may be talking. Next is methods of teaching reading. So methods of teaching, some methods they may be talking about how to teach reading. Now a controversial approach, so a debate, controversial thing may be there. And inclusive research, inconclusive research. Okay, so research with learners, learners here means students, pupils, this kind of situation may be there. And next one is allowing teachers more control, means teachers are being given more control for the reading process and all. Ninth is a debate among educators, Now we have understood and we have just underlined every keyword from every option. Now coming to reading passage 1. So there is one saying about list of heading. Just read first 2-3 lines and you will get answer. But sometimes out of 5 questions definitely you will get 3 answers by this strategy only. Read only 1 or 2 sentences, 1, 2 or 3 sentences. But here this paragraph is very small, so you can read full paragraph. Otherwise longer paragraph, 2-3 sentences, if you read it then you can easily get the list of headings. Okay, so we will try to read 2-3 sentences and then try to match the headings. Okay, so learning to speak. Okay, no, section 1 is already given, answer is given, that's why always read the instructions carefully. You can see this, I will show it to you. Section 1 answer is already given. It means we will just cut the list of options from R. Okay, so we will not read this option. We will start from section B. Full reading paragraph I am showing it to you, means B paragraph. We are looking list of heading for this paragraph only. 3 journal approaches, okay, have been tried in one called whole world instruction. Okay, in one called learn by rote, how to recognize at a glance vocabulary of 50 or 100 words, then they gradually acquire other words. Okay, so 3 journal approaches have been tried. Okay, so 3 journal approaches have been tried. So means in one, first method is this, and maybe the full paragraph is here also. You can see this. This paragraph is also, next paragraph is also, and next paragraph is also saying something. Many teachers adopted the whole language approach. So we have come to know that in B paragraph they have shown 3 journal approaches have been tried. In one means first, and maybe speakers of most languages learn the relationship between letters and sounds. That is children are taught. Okay, so many schools have adopted a different approach. It means one is this, second is this. Okay, next one, many teachers adopted the whole language approach because of its intuitive appeal. Okay, so 3 methods they have told us. So let's read it, what we can match it. Disagreements, no, there is no disagreement. The roots of the debate, no, there is no debate. A combined approach is not given. Methods of teaching reading we can match, because here they were talking 3 journal approaches have been tried. In one, the whole world. So if you just find out the reading word, so you can see this, how to recognize at a glance vocabulary of 50 to 100. Okay, most, because here they were talking about, because we have not read this, but yes, of course, reading title is how should reading be taught. So of course they may be talking about this. Here also you can read child experience, engaging books, engage to guess out, many approach because of its making reading the fun promise to keep children motivated and learning. So this here reading they are talking about, but of course the reading passage is about reading. So methods of teaching reading we can match it with section B. Section B we will just match it with 4th number. Now this we have selected. Okay, now coming to C paragraph. Now this is full C paragraph, I am showing it to you. However, many linguistics and psychologists objected strongly to the abandonment of phonics in American schools. Why was this so? In short, because research had clearly demonstrated that understanding how letters related to the component sounds in words is critically important in reading. This conclusion rests in part. So first line says, however, contradiction. Many linguistics and psychologists objected strongly to the abandonment of phonics. Okay, so let's read the options first. Disagreement about the reading process. So disagreement we can say, however, many linguists and objected strongly to the abandonment of phonics in American school. Okay, so let's read another one. The root of the debate. No, we can't say root. Yeah, American schools and methods we have combined approach, no controversial approach. But controversy is there, but approach is not there. It means, so however many linguistic and psychologists object strongly to the, so disagreement. So disagreement we will just put this we have selected for C section. We can go for first number. Now D section. Section D is here. I will show it full. In order to evaluate different approaches, okay, different approaches to teaching reading, a number of experiments have been carried out, firstly with college students, then with school pupils. Different approaches to teaching reading, a number of experiments have been carried out. So something they were talking about experiments with the learners, pupils, as I told you. So after reading 1, 2, 3 sentence, I have got my answer. In order to evaluate different approaches to teaching reading, a number of experiments have been carried out, firstly with college students and then school pupils. Definitely I will not be reading more. So answer is, yeah, this one. Okay, so section D is 7th number. Okay, now very fast we have found these answers. Now coming to E paragraph. Now E paragraph, let's read it fast. If researchers are so convinced about the need for phonics instruction, why does the debate continue? So if they are convinced for this instruction, why does the debate continue? Because the controversy is enmeshed in philosophical differences between traditional and progressive approaches, differences that have divided educators for years. Okay, now if you read these 3-4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, definitely you will get the answer. They are saying if researchers are so convinced, okay, about this instruction, Then why debate continue? Because the controversy, now he is giving the reason, because the controversy is enmeshed in philosophical difference between traditional and progressive. So definitely I have got the clue. Yeah, you can say this, the roots of the debate. Okay, so they are asking why the debate is still continue, why does the debate continue. Now he is giving the reason. So this we can select it for second number, that is for E paragraph. E here I will just write it. Now for section E, this is second. Now section F is left. Okay, section F is here. Now we should read it. If schools of education insisted that would-be reading teachers learn something about the vast research in linguistic and psychology that bears on reading, their graduates would be more eager to use phonics and would be prepared to do so effectively. Okay, they could allow their pupils to apply the principle of phonics while reading for pleasure. Using whole language activities to supplement phonics instruction helps to make reading fun, meaningful for children, so no one would want. Okay, let's read the options first, then we can decide it. Yeah, this we have done, this we have done. A combined approach. Okay, this we have done. Controversial approach, nothing is given. Inclusive research is not like that, allowing teachers more control. Now a combined approach or allowing teachers more control, let's find it again. Are they talking about teachers control? They should get more. Okay, if schools of education would be reading teachers learn something about the vast research in linguistics and psychology that bears on reading, their graduates would be more eager to use phonics to prepare so they could allow their pupils to apply the principles of phonics while reading for pleasure. Using this language, okay, certainly helps to make reading so no one would want to see such tools discarded. Indeed, recent work has indicated that combination of, yes, now combined approach they are talking. See, if you are not convinced after reading 4-5 sentences, like 2-3 sentences, if you are not getting answer, then you can read it ahead, then definitely something you can get. So I will go with combined approach. Okay, so for F paragraph we have got this this F answer. Okay, so we have done this list of headings. This number, third number. In answer sheet you will be writing this numerical, not this 3, this 2. No, this will be considered as wrong. Okay, now we have done this list of headings.